Welcome to our series all about creating a Wix website for your resort or accommodation business. If you own a hotel, a cozy bed and breakfast, a resort, or even a unique vacation rental, a professional website isn't just nice to have, it's absolutely essential. It's your digital storefront, your 24/7 booking agent, and the first impression for guests worldwide. Before you even think about adding stunning photos of your property or setting up booking engines, the very first step is choosing the foundation for your site, which is your template. So today, we'll walk you through exactly how to choose the ideal template design specifically for hotels and accommodations. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to log into Wix. Go to Wix.com, and if you have an account, log in. If not, click on Get Started and then sign up either by using your Google account or Facebook account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with this page. Click on Set up without chat, since we will be creating our site ourselves, not with AI. What is your site all about? You can type in hotel. What do you want to call your site? Input your desired site name here. What are your goals for this site? Type down your answers. You can also choose from the suggestions below. Now, select the apps you want to pre-install. If you're not sure yet, no worries, because you will still be able to install the apps that you're going to need on the Wix editor later on. So click Add and Continue. All right, now you will be taken to your personalized dashboard. Click on Design Site over here. Then click on Pick a Template. Now you will be taken to the Wix template library. Feel free to scroll through their available templates. When you're looking for an accommodation template, focus on structure and built-in features, not just pretty pictures, because images can be replaced easily later on. To get a closer look at any template, simply hover over it and select View. Once you're in the preview mode, evaluate its structure. Does it have a prominent area for a large inviting hero image or even video, just like this one? This is crucial for showcasing your property. Is there also a clear section for guest testimonials, since social proof is vital in hospitality? Does it naturally include sections for rooms, amenities, and a location map? Also, test its responsiveness on mobile devices. Click on the mobile icon over here to enter the mobile preview mode. Ensure it looks clean, professional, and easy to navigate on a phone, since most potential guests will discover your property via mobile devices. Once you've found a template that offers the right blend of stunning design and integrated features for you, it's time to select it. Click on Edit this site. Wix will then load the template directly into the Wix editor. And your journey to a world-class accommodation website officially starts here. And that's what we're going to do in this series, from start to finish. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.